Good evening students, I am teaching CBSE syllabus grade 10 chapter 1 real numbers. In previous class I am explaining the examples. Okay, now example 7. Okay, if you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Okay, using Euclid division lemma shows that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. 3m means multiples of 3. 3m plus 1 means a number which is divided by 3, the remainder is 1. Okay, so here, what the divisor here? 3. Okay, so let us take a is any integer, any positive integer. B is equal 3, the divisor B is equal 3. Okay, how we can prove? By using Euclid division lemma. So, by using Euclid division lemma. So, what is the Euclid division lemma? Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. A is equal B into Q plus R. The remainder condition is 0 less than or equal remainder less than divisor. Okay, here the divisor is how much? 3. So that is A is equal 3 into Q plus remainder or 0 less than or equal or less than 3. So the remainder is less between 0 and 3. The remainder value is greater than or equal 0 and less than the 3. So what are the values? Remainder 0, 1, 2. Okay, so the values of remainders are 0, 1, 2. R is equal 0, 1, 2. Here what the question? Using Euclid division lemma show that the square of any positive integer. So here what is the positive integer here? A. So it's a square. Okay, square of positive integer. That is a square is equal 3q plus r whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is here a square is equal. Here a is how much? 3q. B is how much? R. So that is here 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into r plus r square. So here that is 3q square. That means ab whole power m. A power m into b power m. So that is here 3 square into q square plus 2 3 6qr plus r square. 3 square is how much? 9. 9q square plus r 6qr plus r square. So here it is a square value is how much? The square of an integer is value is how much? 9q square plus 6qr plus r. The square of integer we can show that in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay, so how we can prove that? By using the remainder conditions. What are the remainder conditions? 0, 1, 2. So what is the values of, how we can get the 0, 1, 2? Here the condition of, by using Euclid division lemma, a is equal b into q plus r. What is the condition? It is greater than or equal 0 and less than the divisor. Here what is the divisor? 3. So here 0 less than or equal or less than 3. That means the remainder value is greater than or equal 0 and less than the 3. So what are the values? 0, 1, 2. Okay, so here case 1. Case 1. If r is equal 0, then a square is equal 9q square. In the place of r we can put 0. So 9q square plus 6q into 0 plus 0 square. So that is here a square is equal 9q square. 0 is multiplied with anything, you can get 0. So plus 0 square is 0. So that is a square is equal 9q square. Here q is a what? Any positive integer. So 9 we can write as 3 into 3q square. So in the place of 3q square we take as m. A square is equal 3 into m. Here m is how much? 3q square. So here the square of an integer in the form of 3m. Next case 2. Here what the case 2? The remainder value is 0. 0 case 1. Case 2 is remainder is 1. So if r is equal to 1, then the square of an integer a square is 9q square plus 6q into 1 plus 1 square. The place of remainder we can take as 1. So that is a 9q square. 6q into 1, 6q plus 1. So 9, how do you can write 3 3 ja? 6, how do you can write 3 2 ja? Q square means q into q. So that is a 3 into 3 into q into q plus 2 into 3 into q plus 1. In these two terms, what are common? 3q. So 3q is taking outside. What the remaining? 3q plus 2 plus 1. So here q of 3q plus 1, it is an integer. So in the place of q of 3q plus 1, you can take as m. So the square of an integer is in the form of 3m plus 1. And also you can prove the square of an integer in the form of 3m. So here m is how much? Q of 3q plus 2. Next, example 8. Using Euclid division lemma, show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer m. 9m means multiples of 9. That means the integer is divided by 9, the remainder is 0. 9m plus 1 means the integer which is divided by 9, the remainder is 1. 9m plus 8 means the integer is divided by 9, the remainder is 8. Okay, so here let us take, which number we don't know that, let us take A is any positive integer. Here what the divisor? They are asking that in the form of 9m. That means the divisor is here how much? 9. So B is equal 9. How we can prove? By using Euclid division lemma. So by using Euclid division lemma. So what is Euclid division lemma? Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that is A is equal B into Q plus R. So the condition of R, the relation between remainder and divisor is, it is 0 less than or equal remainder less than the divisor. Here the divisor is how much? 9. So that is here 0 less than or equal or less than 9. So the remainder values is how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on 8. Okay, less than 9. So here what the question? The cube of any positive integer, cube of this positive integer, that is here cube on both sides. So that is here a cube is equal b cube. Okay, b value is how much? 9. The divisor is how much? 9. 9 cube plus r whole cube. Okay, here it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube form is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, so here a cube is equal, we can write another formula is also a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. So here, so 9 cube whole cube plus r cube plus 3 into 9 cube into r of 9 cube plus r. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Okay, here now take the conditions. Okay, first case 1, if r is equal 0. So case 1, if r is equal 0, then a cube. Okay, a cube is what? 9 cube whole cube plus r value is how much? 0. That is here 0 cube plus 3 into 9 cube into 0 of 9 cube plus 0. So a cube is equal 9 cube whole cube. Come on, 9 cube into cube. 0 cube 0. 0 is multiplied with anything, we can get 0 of 9 cube plus 0. Here 0 is multiplied with anything, we can get 0. A cube is equal 9 cube, we can add as 9 into 9 into 9 into cube plus 0. 0 is multiplied with anything, 0. 0 is adding to anything, we get the same. So here 9 of 9 square into cube. Q is a one integer. The integer is multiplied with 9 square. Why I can take as 9 is separate? Because they are asking that the cube of an integer in the form of 9m. Okay, so in the place of 9 square cube, we can take as 9m. 9m. Case 2. If remainder is equal to 1, then a cube is equal to 9 cube whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 9 cube into 1 of 9 cube plus 1. So 9 cube whole cube, ab whole power m, a power m into b power m. So that is a 9 cube cube plus 1 plus 1 is multiplied with anything, get the same. 3 9 ja 27 cube of 9 cube plus 1. Okay, here this one 9 cube means what? How we can write 9 into 9 into 9 into cube. 27 we can write as 9 into 3 cube of 9 cube plus 1 plus 1. This one we can write as last time. Okay, in these two terms what the common? 9. So 9 is taking outside, what the remaining? 9 square cube plus 3 cube of 9 cube plus 1. Okay, plus 1. So q is an integer. This total we can take as m. That is our 9m plus 1. So the cube of an integer is in the form of 9m plus 1. Next, case 3. If r is equal to 3, then cube of an integer a cube, r is equal to 2. Okay, r is equal to 2. Then a cube is 9 cube whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 9 cube into 2 of 9 cube plus 2. So a cube whole power m, a power m into b power m, that is 9 cube cube plus 2 cube 8 plus 3 2 ja 6, 9 cube into 6 of 9 cube plus 2. So this expression we can arrange like this. Here 9 cube, 9 into 9 into 9 into cube plus 9 into 6 cube of 9 cube plus 2 plus 8, the last term. Here in this two term what the common? 9. So 9 is taking outside, 9 square cube plus 6 cube of 9 cube plus 2 plus 8. So in this total you can take as m. Why? Q is an integer. So the cube of an integer is in the form of 9m plus 8. So here what the problem they asked me, that the cube of an integer is in the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Therefore hence true. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends and click on the bell.